How to complete offer task on SproutGigs, important info about offer tasks. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. This video I'm going to be talking about completing offer tasks on SproutGigs and how you're going to do this and allow yourself to do that in the most simplest, easiest way possible. So to start things off, to complete actual offer tasks on, your SproutGigs, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to SproutGigs.com, and here it says SproutGigs, hire freelancers to help with small gigs for your, free marketing or lancing. So basically, once you have gigs, in those gigs, you're going to get offer tasks, okay? And once you've gotten offer tasks, all you're going to do from there is obviously once you've gotten your gigs, here are down here are going to be your offer tasks that you can explore. And in those offer tasks, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the gigs offer tasks, and once you click on the gigs offer tasks, all you're going to do from there is you're going to see the requirements, complete the post, and you're going to upload it in the same offer tab that they've asked you. So if I come here and write Sprout Gigs offer tasks, okay, I'm going to go ahead and write that. Let me show you what that looks like. So this is what the Sprout Gig offer tasks look like, and it's pretty important info about offer tasks. It's going to look a lot like this, and you are going to want to make sure to complete the offer tasks properly and considerately. So yeah, completing it requires a lot of focus because this is all completing it. The description that they've done, it's all offered and it's all completed. So it's really important to complete your whole profile and to get more leads and sales on SproutGigs. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.